Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen me properly as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Hello everyone, I hope that I'm live right now guys. If you guys are able to listen me properly as well as there's no issues with the audio and the video, please let me know. Any issues with the audio or the video guys, please let me know. No issues, everything is perfect. Oh, you guys are so good, man. Like whenever you guys are in my class, I don't have any kind of issues. I feel so it's not the network, but you guys that are lucky for me, right? Okay. Okay, guys. So yesterday, first of all, let me know one thing. I forgot to ask this question from you guys. So you are the only ones that are left right now. So I'm going to ask this question to you. Where are you guys from? Like, it's great. We have been together for 8 days. It's like I've been together with my girlfriend for like 12 months, and I don't know her name or I don't know where she belongs to. Right? That looks very odd, right? So could you guys let me know where are you guys from, or what are you currently pursuing? What are you guys doing right now? We have people from Sri Lanka, Orissa, Kerala, Varanasi. Come on, man! I just went to Varanasi actually with my parents. So they told me to take like that. I have to come with them. And believe me when I say this, that when I go to a temple or something, I usually am fascinated by its history, its culture, and the architecture. But Kashi was one of the places where I was really very fascinated by the entire vibe of that place. Not the vibe, but the like. I cannot like describe it in words, but definitely if you guys have some time, you guys are along with your friends. I know this is a like a normal thing that okay, friends are going to go to Goa, or if you have a lot of money, then to Thailand, Bangkok. But I will definitely suggest do visit Kashi, guys. An amazing place right over there. Okay, Sri Lanka, software engineering and computer science, Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. I've never got the thing to visit Mathura, but I will definitely do that. That is in my checklist. Okay. Uh, सर चिल chat ही करते हैं आज. No, that's not possible. We have few days remaining. Punjab BTech CSE. Oh, that's good. So can you kindly give a brief a brief reservation about what you talked about APIs in yesterday's class during after half of class? I didn't got understood it, please. Jaimin, I will definitely revise that, but could you exactly let me know what you were not able to understand, because this is very vague. I can't repeat an entire class, right? But exactly if you let me know what you were not able to understand, I will help you out with that. Okay. Maharashtra, currently I have completed my PG. Many of you guys, I think so, have done a lot of work, right? Doing BTech EC from New Delhi. Why are you not guys not doing internships or something like that? Like I don't know if you guys do it or not. I'm just going to ask you a simple question. What is the best time? Like, what is the time that you get a job in your college? Just a simple question, guys. In which year of your college you get a job? A simple question, guys. I'm going to ask a very simple question from you guys. In which year of your college do you get a job? So most of you guys are wrong. For especially those who are saying fourth year after college. Okay, if you are saying these kind of crap, that means you are in serious problem right now. You're in an extremely. If your answer was fourth year or final year, you are in a very serious position right now. The very serious position. You have got your answer extremely wrong. The correct answer to this is second and third year. Second and third year is the time when you start getting your job opportunities. When this is the time when you actually start like working towards your job, not third and fourth year. If those students are thinking that oh, I'm going to land a job at so and so company and I will get it in the fourth and the final year, like that is not going to be the case. It is going to be second and third year. Now you guys will be like, "Abe, a second and third year में college करेंगे, whether we will be doing college or we will be working at a job." So it's not like that. You are misunderstanding me right over here. I don't know if you guys know this or not. Companies have stopped hiring freshers. And guys, do you guys know this or not? That companies have stopped hiring freshers right now. Almost every single company, any big company, any IPO based startup, any MNC right now have stopped hiring freshers. So what are they hiring? They're hiring experienced professionals. How can you become an experienced professional? By working as a small company or like doing internships basically. And what I see is most of you guys, actually, some of you guys are connected with me on LinkedIn, right? And today I posted a resume on LinkedIn itself. That was a fun resume. Please not use that. Okay, of a resume that looks just like Netflix. I don't know if you guys have seen it or not. Let me show it to you guys. Let me open up LinkedIn if I have the access right over here. I don't remember it. So yeah, this is my LinkedIn account, and I posted. Okay, somebody has liked my previous posts as well. I posted a particular resume that looks like Netflix ka account. Okay, this is not something that you should do. Okay, this is not going to get you shortlisted in any of the companies, but still I did it. I'm still working, right? I'm not running just DevTown. I'm still working as a software development engineer. So why did I post this? Was there any particular reason behind it? The reason is to get the eyes of recruiters. The best platform, world's number one platform of getting internships right now is actually LinkedIn. World's number one platform, guys. To get an internship, to get a job, to get anything is actually LinkedIn right now. Why? Because everybody is on LinkedIn. You guys are from college, you guys don't understand the value of it, but every single employee who is working at any of the companies, every single talent recruiter working for any of the companies are actually present on LinkedIn. And their first particular go-to place to hire is actually LinkedIn, no other platforms. So, how to get opportunities? Just start posting whatever shit that you're doing. Let's assume you guys are learning. Okay, this is a suggestion. Never showcase that you are doing a particular, you're learning something from a course or from a boot camp or something like that. This is my suggestion to you guys. This will actually help you guys out. For example, let's assume we just learned about APIs in today's class. Okay, you go to LinkedIn, you create a post on LinkedIn, put down the link to your project or sandbox project itself, and you write a paragraph that what is APIs, what did you learn about APIs. Okay, but do not mention anywhere that you actually did a boot camp or a course or something like that. Now, slowly and steadily, post on alternate days. Okay, it's fine. Okay, today I learned, I did 5 questions on lead code. This is my learning from that. I have achieved the grandmaster on code chef. I've just ranked 4 stars on lead code. Today I gave my very first competitive programming exam on lead code itself. This is what was my learning from that. Okay, just post random shit. Whatever you guys are doing, just post it on LinkedIn. And the second part is connect with as many talent recruiters as you can. Connect with as many senior software engineers, product managers, HRs from multiple different companies throughout your college days. Once you do that, people like them are going to see what you're doing on a daily basis, and then go towards some advanced projects. Guys, these type of shitty ass projects are not going to help you. Okay, companies want good quality people. So go towards like learn React.js, learn Node, Express, MongoDB, learn about DevOps, learn about Kubernetes, CI/CD, GitHub version control, Docker, learn about AWS. Okay, and continuously post it. Create some awesome projects right over there. For example, like a full stack Airbnb clone or a full stack Uber clone or something like that, and deploy it on AWS, orchestrate it using DevOps. Post your particular journey on LinkedIn. Now, what will happen is because of this, because you are continuously connecting with talent recruiters as well, people will start putting their eyes on you. That okay, this guy is actually making something fun. This guy is actually knowing a lot as well. He is updating themselves. So now if they want to recruit somebody, they'll first approach you because they have a confidence, and try to build some connections as well. Reach out to software engineers, ask them ki bhaiya or didi, what was your process, what did you do, if you could share some guidance tips with me or something like that. You send 100 people a message like this, 10 of them will reply back or 5 of them will reply back to you. Now 100 messages you send it in 2 days. You got 5 people guiding you, and even if you're not taking up the guidance, just send them your resume and say कि भैया इसमें और क्या add करें, like how can I change this, how can I update this. Okay, in that way you will receive guidance and they will also look at your resume as well. That is the best part. Now when any vacancy is there in the office, they can provide you with a referral. Now how many of you guys don't know what is a referral and why people provide that? How many of you guys do not know what are referrals, guys? Now that if you don't know, then uh what is a referral, guys? Please let me know. Don't know referrals. Oh, that is a very bad part from your behalf, guys. Okay, so right now the best way of actually getting into companies is through referrals. Is through referrals. Like very few ways of getting into a company are remaining right now. One of the best ways of doing that is through referrals. And that referral per se is basically, for example, right now I'm working for a company. Let's call it as XYZ. There is a vacancy in my company will say to me that, dude, if you bring a particular person, if you suggest me a particular person that you trust for the interview, and they crack the interview, they do well during the particular internship itself, or during the particular job role, we will give you their 1 month salary. For example, when I was working at Google, I placed almost 3 students. When I was at Google, I referred 3 students. 2 of them got selected. Now, these 3 students, when I was working at Google, they actually connected with me on LinkedIn. They used to ask me very good questions. They used to be like, they used to update me. They used to ask me that, Bhaiya, this is my resume. Could you please look at it? Could you please suggest me some changes? I used to tell them the changes and they used to actually work upon those skill sets. So when the vacancy happened at Google, I actually suggested their names. Now, out of the 3, 2 of them got selected at Google. And for each person getting selected, I got 2.5 lakh rupees. That is the concept of referrals. Like if I am giving a referral to somebody and they get selected in a company, I get a pretty huge bonus. So people working at these companies have almost a lot of referrals to give out, and they want to give it out, but only to the right candidates. Because if you don't get selected, I don't get my bonus. And I don't have like 100 of resumes every year. In Google, when I was there, I used to get 3 referrals in an entire year. Just 3 referrals in the entire year itself. I have to use it very carefully. If all of them didn't get selected, my bonus is zero. My bonus is zero. And money matters at the end of the day. No matter how much you are earning, money matters at the end of the day, guys. Now, somebody asked me this question that, sir, internship के लिए भी साला experience मांगता है. Now, to quote it in English, is basically even if I want to apply for an internship, they ask experience right over there. This is a very false propaganda. I don't know who is spreading that. Because if you're thinking that you're going to get an internship directly at Google, then yes, you are an idiot. That is not going to happen. You are living in a dream world. You have to burst that bubble, come into the reality. Okay, remove your VR headset, come back to the real world itself. For a first internship, most likely it is going to be unpaid or very low payment, like 5,000 rupees, 6,000 rupees, or even like 2-3,000 rupees itself. That will be your first internship. But get it. The my suggestion would be get it. Now, they are not going to select you on the basis of, oh, you are doing BTech, CSE, okay, come and work for us. Oh, you're doing BSc, come and work for us. Oh, you know programming, oh, come and work for us. No, they are also going to be very choosy because everybody is making very good projects right now. If you don't have a very good project under your belt, you don't have very good knowledge, you're poor at communicating skill sets itself, like you don't know how to speak in English, you don't know how to communicate your ideas or what is going in your mind properly, you're not going to get that internship as well. The fight for internships have also increased a lot. Now there are a lot of internships. Now you grow from there. You do your first internship, then you go to your second internship. Slowly and steadily you start accumulating a lot of experience. That is how you accumulate experience itself. And then you apply for big companies or for tech jobs. That is the process. People think that, oh, I am going to learn one stack, I'm going to get into Google. Who is going to hire you? Do you know how many people are learning just one stack every year? You have to stand out from the crowd. If you're not able to do that, there's no point of anything. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Okay, Vaibhav Jain, we'll take this particular question, guys. How many of you guys think you should put up your picture on your resume. How many of you guys think you should put up your picture on your resume? Like your picture, very good. Like don't put a picture like mine. Okay, this is shit. Okay, this is just for fun that I've created. Put a very professional looking picture. But how many of you guys think that you should put up a picture on your resume? For those who are saying yes, the answer is no. चैन से सोना है तो जाग जाओ. ठीक है, I don't know what is the exact quote, but I think so that was it. So basically, a particular resume, first of all, you need to understand nobody is going to see your resume. Nobody. You go and apply for a software engineering position, a full stack engineering position, anybody. You go to any place, you are not, nobody is going to see your resume. I am currently taking up interviews for more than 67 different companies. 67 different companies. I take up their interviews on a daily basis. From today morning at 11 o'clock till I think so 7:30. I've been taking up just interviews itself. Today the end. Now I get paid for it. Okay, I get paid a lot. For example, for every interview that I take, I get paid somewhere around 15,000 to 25,000 rupees, depending upon like which company it is. Big companies pay a lot more. Small companies pay a little less. International companies pay in dollars, so that is like ching ching money. So, like I said, guys, nobody looks at your resume. Your resume does not matter at all. The number of fucks that a company gives on your resume is absolutely zero. Absolutely zero. But still, there is a proper way of creating a resume that is called as an ATS friendly resume. Think about it. If you want to get into a particular amusement park, okay, you want to get into an amusement park, so they will say that you have to purchase a ticket. Once you enter into the amusement park, or you go to a movie, okay, you go for a movie at PVR, you buy a ticket from outside. That ticket only has value till the point you are checking up on the door that, oh, you are from, like, you're going to watch Prince of Persia. Okay, yeah, you are done. Screen number 4, seat number A15. Okay, so yeah, after getting into that, you can throw it off in the dustbin. Nobody gives a shit about it. The ticket does not matter at all. In the exact same way, a resume is only so that if you're applying for a company, you get shortlisted for an online coding round. That's it. An online coding round. And for that as well, if you're not talking to talent recruiters, you're just going on different websites and you're like, I will apply here, I will apply there, and somebody is going to call me for an interview. That is not going to happen. You have to talk to talent recruiters, you have to talk to software engineers, you have to be like, sir, I have applied at your company for so and so position, I saw this vacancy, could you please let me know if there is any other process that I can do? This is my resume, could you please go over that? Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please do let me know. This resume is just because there is a fucking bot right over there that will go through your resume and will sort that, okay, he needs to be called for a particular online coding round or not. That is the only value of the resume. In your interviews as well, for example, at Google, I had 8 rounds of interviews before getting selected. From those 8 rounds, my resume was looked at in the 5th round of the interview. 5th round of the interview, somebody looked at my resume. Before that, nobody even like asked me that, oh, which certificates do you have or what have you done in your life. Nobody gave a shit. Like they were like, data structures aata hai, community programming aata hai, ye raha question, this is your question, solve it, increase the time, like decrease the time complexity, decrease the space complexity. You are able to do it, very good. You're not able to do it, fuck off from the interview. That is what happens in the interviews, guys. It's as simple as that. Okay. Any other questions, guys? Extremely sorry, guys. I have a little bit of cough. I've been speaking since the morning itself. I've been taking up so many interviews from the morning that my throat has gone sore. So what happened to the Instagram clone bootcamp that got cancelled at the very end? How can we apply on LinkedIn for internship, bro? Come on. Let's see that. Let us apply at a particular internship. Okay, I won't apply. Like I'll just show it to you guys. I'll just search for Mern intern. Let LinkedIn do its thing. Okay, I'll go for jobs. Okay. Executives, DevOps engineer. Okay, I'll just search for intern. Let's see if I'm able to get something in intern. Experience level internship. Show 1K plus. Okay. So this research internships will most likely be data science internships itself. Then you are having, let's see. Let's try to search for MER and MERN. Linux interns. Okay, yeah, SME for MERN's technology stack. Let us search for full stack. So you'll have to change your search query again and again so that you guys are able to get the right particular thing. Okay. So R&D development engine, C++, you are having AI R&D internship on site 3 to 6 months. You are having your IQ graphic design intern, Linux intern, front end developer intern itself, full stack developer intern, React JS developer, full stack intern. Now my profile matches this job, but I'm not going to apply to that. Now, please try to understand one thing as well. The people who are actually posting this internship do not know exactly like what happens. So what they will do is that they will go to Google. They will like, okay, full stack developer job posting or internship posting, and they will just copy paste that about the job right over here. So do not focus upon this. Most likely, this is just shit. Okay, they just copy paste it from the internet itself, so you don't have to think about that a lot. What you have to do is, for example, let's suggest that I have selected this particular internship that I want to apply for. I'll just apply for that internship right over here. I'll just go to that particular thing. I'll just apply it from right over here. Then I will find that particular company. Okay, so WI Jungle, this is the company right over here. Then I will try to find the people that are working for that company. If I click on people, it will show me the different people that are currently working for that company itself. And then I will start messaging those companies, those people. I'll send them my resume. I'll ask them that I'm a fresher. I've applied or I have already done this internship. I've applied for this job role. I think so. Could you please look over my profile and suggest me if there is any changes or anything that you would like me to develop in myself, okay, or something like that. You have to approach these people and do not be afraid to do that. Please try to understand this. Many people are afraid that, oh, if I do this and they don't like my profile or something like that, what the fuck, they are just going to tell you that you were not going to get selected for this internship, but change these. Maybe you will get selected in the next hiring round. Maybe you will get selected in the next company itself. Update that about yourself. That is how you get your internships. Now there are multiple ways of doing that, but yeah, do you use LinkedIn Premium? No, I don't have LinkedIn Premium, guys. Does PHP requires to apply as a front-end developer? Now, if you are learning PHP, please don't do that. That has zero value at any particular point of time. And it's always better to learn full stack development. How can we clear MNCs after doing MCA and do MCA worth? No, MCA is not worth it. So for reaching into from after doing BCA, if you want to get into a particular big company itself, like an MNC, you'll have to do a lot of internships, a lot of jobs at small tech companies, and then you have to do data structure algorithms, computer programming while working at those companies to apply at MNCs, and then you get into MNCs. That is the process of doing it. Okay. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Is it necessary to collect certificate compulsory? No, not at all. Like that is up to you guys, right? Okay. In the exact now I'm not saying this out of my experience or something like that. I'm saying this out of the experience of placing more than 3,000 students in 2023. 3,000 students we have placed. That is a daily average of more than 10 candidates per day. 10 candidates per day we have placed in 2023. And I'm not kidding about this, guys. This works. If you are following what I'm telling you guys, of course, there are multiple other ways of doing it. But companies ask PHP to apply as full stack developer in the job fair. Please do not join those companies. There's just no future. Like, and at the place that you are applying for job fairs, I think so you should just avoid doing that. Stick to LinkedIn or something like that. Okay. So, for example, like I said, right over here, we have plenty of students that we have placed in 2023 in Deloitte, Accenture, Lowell's, CloudKeep. We have people in Cognizant, JB Morgan and Chase. So he got a package of 36 lakhs per annum, and he was not even from a tier 1 or tier 2. He was not from IITs and NITs. He was from a tier 3 college. Then we had Sony, Warner Brothers, Wipro, Samsung R&D. Then we had TCS, Samsung Herman. We had people in TCS, we had people in Cash Free, Wipro, Cisco, Jindal Steels. We had people joining in Amazon. We had again another person joining in Amazon, HSBC, PwC, IBM, Samsung R&D once again. Visa, this was the highest package actually of 2023. Although we had students in Google, but this was the highest package at 62 lakhs per annum. That was the highest package. Manhattan Associates. So this is a remote job. He does not actually go to the office. He is actually enjoying his life right now. I sometimes I also like it, dude, like refer me into your company. Then you have having Reliance Industries, Capgemini, ShareChat, HP. Okay, then you are having your Samsung Prism, Reliance Geo, Gamma Electrics, Oracle, Barclays. So one of our international students, an international placement was at the HARP project at NASA. Then we have people at BCGX. So that was not through us. He got it through his college itself. He was studying at IIT Madras. So he got it through his college. But yeah, he studied under us. Most of the other placements, it was through DevTown itself. We were the ones who facilitated the placements. BCG, then you're having Cognizance once again, TCS, IBM. He has gone to study at the University of Europe for Applied Sciences. We have one student who has gone to University of Michigan, Singapore University, NYU, New York University, and many more. British Telecom. Then you're having Ernest and Young. You are having Accenture, Amazon once again, Deloitte, Samsung Herman, Honeywell, PwC, Deloitte, Accenture. Then you're having other students as well. For example, these are some of the other students who got placed at Microsoft, Gap Inc., ISRO, Amazon, Samsung, Geo, Flipkart, Oracle, Walmart, Barclays, Deutsche Bank, Fidelity Inc., Cognizant, and many more companies, as you're able to see right over here. Now, the reason why they were able to get such amazing placements is because of just one fact, that when they joined DevTown, like I said, you have to build a particular portfolio. If you're not building that portfolio, if you're not learning the right thing, then it is not going to help you guys out moving further. Okay. Today, I heard a particular person saying, if you learn from YouTube and don't have certification to prove it. Okay, how many of you guys think that certificates matter for placements or getting interviews or getting internships or something like that? How many of you guys think that certificates matter? How many of you guys think that certificates matter, guys? How many of you guys think that certificates matter? The value of a certificate in your resume is less than zero. It's actually less than zero, not even zero. It is actually less than zero. Any certificate. And the reason why I'm telling you guys this is that I did a certification of more than 1.5 lakh rupees. So when I completed my internship at Geo, right, it was a 6 months internship. I accumulated all my money that I had saved up during that 6 months to get a particular course. Not a course, it was an exam. So Google had an exam of machine learning engineer, and that was a fucking exam. There was no course, there was just a syllabus, and you pay 75,000 rupees. You give an exam. If you pass, you get a certificate. If you don't pass, you have to pay another 75,000 rupees to give that exam once again. So I had failed my first exam by a long shot. So I was like, yeah, I know all this. I'll give the exam, and I failed it. Then I studied for it. I gave it again. I was like, yeah, this certificate is from Google. Okay, this certificate costed 1.5 lakh rupees. It was not even a course. It was a fucking exam right over there. And then I went into my interview at Google. During the entire 8 rounds, nobody even saw my certificate. In every round, I was like, sir, this certificate's... They're like, Acha, tell me this particular project that you have created. I said, tell me, what did you do in your internship at Geo? Like, nobody was interested in the certificates itself. And then when I got into Google, I got to meet one of my recruiters itself. And I asked him that, dude, like, what the fuck? Like, I got the certificate from you guys. You guys issued me this certificate. You guys didn't even see it. What was the problem right over there? He told me very point blank that, why do I need to see your certificate? I can just ask 2 questions to know whether you know the stuff or not. Why would I trust a certificate? You want a certificate? Let me give you 50 certificates right now. But what is the value of that certificate? You will show me machine learning. You will tell me that I am building a project on ML ops. I'll just ask you 2 questions on ML ops. Why would I see your certificate? There's no validation in that. And that is when it hit me that certificates have no value, and that is only just an approval for a student's own ego. That's it. Own approval for a student's own ego. That's it, guys. That's it. Nothing else. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please let me know. Are you guys able to get this concept, guys? Please let me know. You need to make sure that you know the right things. You know the right theory. You know the right practicals. You know the right projects, and you need to understand your own project as well. Many students just copy paste a project and then they go into an interview, and then the interviewer will ask 2 questions and they will be like, hey, you shouldn't be like that. Okay. So you need to understand this, guys. Okay. That is what I'm trying to say. Now, what DevTown does is that DevTown has collaborated with more than 46, 47 companies right now. Now, these companies are such that they want to hire, but they don't want to hire freshers. Okay, being very frank with you guys, they want to hire, but they don't trust freshers right now. So what they have given us a contract is that we train the students, we make sure that they have the right skill set, we make sure that they have the right tools, the right knowledge, the right projects, the right practice itself in programming. Okay, and then they will give them a chance to work at the company. Just a chance to work at the company. If they work well within the company, if they feel that once they are working, they have learned everything that, and these syllabus has been created by the company itself. We haven't put up our hands in that. The company said that we want these things in the syllabus. We want your students to know all this. If they know all this, and we'll give them a guaranteed internship. They don't have to worry about that. They'll work with us for 1 month. If they work well with us, we'll give them an internship. We'll give them a placement just after that. We don't really care. We want to hire people, just not freshers. We want to hire people who know all these skill sets. And that is where we have got all our companies. For example, just full stack web development. That basically means that multiple companies who are just like front end, some of them are back end, some of them are for cloud computing, some of them are for cloud data, DevOps as well. But again, full stack development. So this is basically mobile application development, guys, along with web development. So you don't have just pure web development anymore. You have to learn mobile application development right now. So we have companies like Amazon, Cognizant, Commonwealth Bank. We have Datacom, Deloitte, EA Sports. We have just onboarded them. Engineers Without Border, Goldman Sachs, HP, Infosys, JP Morgan and Chase, Lyft, Monte Carlo Bay. You have Contem, you are having Skyscanner, Standard Bank, Telstra, Walmart, Y Combinator. We have these companies which we have onboarded right now just for full stack development itself, which are currently offering a guaranteed, that's the best part, a guaranteed 1 month internship. Anybody who is finishing up the entire training program, they get a guaranteed 1 month internship in the company of their choosing, in the company of these children's choosing. For example, if I am a particular child, I have enrolled into the training program. Let's say that I've done full stack development, and then my career counselor. So your instructors are also all like me. So all of them are my friends itself. I'll show you guys some of the particular people that are there. So these are your instructors right over here, guys. You have people from Google, you have people from Amazon, you have people from HP Porsche, you have people from Microsoft, you have people from McKinsey & Company, Morgan Stanley, American Express, Google, Goldman Sachs, Oracle, Cisco, Sony, TensorFlow, and Microsoft once again. So these are the instructors who are training you guys on a daily basis. And these are the ones who will be helping you guys how to navigate, how to get your other internships, other opportunities, part-time internships, and how to grow your profile well. And for example, let's assume that Rahul Halalka is my instructor. He's currently working at Goldman Sachs. I went to him. I'm like, yeah, I'm interested in cloud computing. So which company should I choose? And he will say that go further with AWS. They are the ones who are hiring a lot in cloud computing. Let's assume I'm interested in backend development. Then he will say just choose between Goldman Sachs or JP Morgan and Chase. Then I will ask, okay, I don't know which one to choose. He will just say that, okay, currently JP Morgan and Chase is hiring a lot more. Just go with JP Morgan. So that is how we make sure that the students are able to choose the right companies. Now the company has offered a 1 month guaranteed internship. No questions asked, nothing. You work with the company for 1 month. They give you guys a certificate of internship directly working with the company for 1 month itself, so that you guys are doing well within the company. Okay, we want that because our reputation is at stake. We want as many kids to get selected as possible. After doing that, after you have worked with the company, let's say that there are only two options: either you work well, you get selected, and now you're throwing us a party. I want a party if you guys are getting selected. If you're not getting selected, then yeah, like there are other ways. We have other companies that we have partnered up with that provide placements to our students. So for that, we have these companies right over here that currently provide our students with direct placements as well. We have, and these numbers that you are able to see are the placements just from December 2023. The numbers that you are able to see are the number of students placed in that company in 2023. Green basically denotes that the package was above 30 lakhs per annum. Orange denotes a package of above 20 lakhs per annum, and red denotes a package of around 10 lakhs per annum. So that is basically, and the number of that you are able to see are the number of candidates that got selected in that company in 2023. So have Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Gap, Samsung, Jio, Flipkart, Oracle, Barclays, Walmart, Fidelity Inc., Deutsche Bank, Qatar Airways, you have L&T, TCS, Infosys, Case Point, Cognizant, Deloitte, Adani, ZS Associates, AP Light Projects, Samsung Herman, and PwC. So these are the companies that are currently providing direct hirings from our end. So we basically look at your profile, we try to improve it. What was your weakness? We take a review from the company that, okay, what went wrong with the candidate? Why did you not get selected in that company? And then we make sure that all those loopholes are being fixed. Then we go towards the placements. So every day we get almost 24 to 27 companies that provides us with their placement every single day. So they come to us for placements. We have a placement portal. They post it right over there. You can directly apply through DevTown there itself. And then of course, referrals. We are not idiots that we have kept so many instructors from so many different companies itself. The only reason of doing that is to collect as many referrals as possible from as many companies as possible. Now, these guys have friends in other companies. They have friends in other companies. So it is basically a networking effect. We collect fucking like every single month. We have somewhere around 1,200 referrals that we collect just from these guys. And we distribute it within our students itself. The reason of doing that is because we want a 100% placement ratio. Now, we haven't been able to achieve that. For full stack development, yes, we have a 100% placement ratio. For data science, we have a 96% placement ratio. It went down. It was 98. Now it is 96. And for cybersecurity, it is fucking very bad. 82% placement ratio, but still we are working upon that. So like, for example, for data science, we have Accenture, BCG, British Airways, Cognizant, GE Aerospace, KPMG, PwC, Quantum, SAP, and Tata. Then for cybersecurity, we have AIG, ANZ, JP Morgan and Chase, MasterCard, PwC, and Telstra. We are currently convincing MasterCard to offer full stack internship as well, but they are not doing that. Okay, they are like, we only want to hire software, say cybersecurity experts. And usually the person who got placed at Visa, she did her internship at MasterCard and then she got an offer from Visa. So MasterCard is not very happy with us because we promised that she will be joining their company and then she joined the rival gang right over there. So do these companies hire 2019 pass out? The best part about these companies is that they don't fucking care. They don't care. We have got diploma students placed in these companies. We have got BCA students. We have got commerce students placed in these companies. We have got people having like 10 years of gap experience. 10 years. I think so it was 11 years of gap experience who got into that particular company. Now, again, the point with that is just go to your college. How much you are paying to your college? Just think about that. How much are you paying to your college? Go to your college and ask a very simple question. I'm paying you, let's say 1.5 lakhs or 2 lakh rupees a year. Can you guarantee me an internship? Just go and ask them that I'm paying so much money to you guys. Can you guarantee me an internship? Just go and ask. Just go to any particular program on this planet Earth, no matter if it is a program or if it is a training or if it is a particular college itself. Samir say he's paying 8 lakhs. What the fuck? Which particular college is that? Does that offer you like a Ferrari as well in that company? Okay. So the point is that you go and ask that particular college, they will be like, just fuck off from here, because they just can't. They just can't guarantee you that. Why? Because they can't teach you the right things itself. And they don't have a lot of experts, they don't have a lot of connections and all that particular things itself. Even for placements, I've seen in some colleges they don't even offer 100% placements. So that is also something that I've seen. Now the point that I'm trying to say right over here is that DevTown is a platform that I created just for that particular purpose. I was in college, 30% of my college was not placed. When I was putting for internships, 80% of my college did not receive any internships. And that is something that when I got into Google, I started reaching. So people started reaching out to me on LinkedIn and they started sharing their stories. I was able to understand that this is a problem that was shared by almost every single Indian, or even abroad as well. We have people joining us for the training program from Africa. We have people joining us from Sri Lanka, Nepal, UAE, Spain, Indonesia. We have people joining us from US, UK. So the point that I'm trying to say is this is a problem faced by many people throughout the entire globe. So that is the time that I said that, okay, I will launch a particular program. I will first make sure that I have companies onboarded. I will make sure that these are the kind of people that I want into the training program. And that is how I created the DevTown's training and internship program, wherein the student is able to learn everything that he needs to learn. For example, let us look at what do you learn. Okay, you start with the basics. C++, Java. Okay, we don't expect you guys to know programming. If you know programming, we really don't care. Okay, we'll tell you leave that knowledge out of the door before coming in. We'll start with the basics itself. All the same instructors, as you're able to see, these are the ones. For example, Ritik Kumar, he's currently working at Microsoft, software engineer at Microsoft, as well as the world top 100 programmers on CodeChef. He's the one who teaches competitive programming to our candidates. Then data structures algorithms is taught to them by Ravid Kumar. Ravid Kumar is currently a software engineer too, my senior at Google. He's the one who teaches data structures and algorithms. The rest of the candidates, the rest of the instructors basically teaches data science or full stack or cybersecurity. Harshakshit, who has worked in Google, teaches cybersecurity right over there. We start with the basics, C++, Java, data structures, algorithms, competitive programming. Then we go towards web development fundamentals. So for example, HTTP, HTTPS, HTML, CSS, GitHub version control, responsive designs in CSS, grid and box layout, Tailwind CSS, Bootstrap CSS, JavaScript ES6. So these are the topics that we teach. Now, all that is done very practically. Every single topic coded by the instructor, taught to you guys by the instructor itself directly. So you don't have to worry about that. Then you are having some projects as well. Then you go to React.js. Then you go to backend development with, so in React, we cover up both React.js and React Native. That means Android development, iOS development, AR, VR development, web application development. Everything is included in that. The reason is because you don't know which company you are going to apply, what they are going to ask. So we make sure that you know everything. Then we go towards backend development, microservice architecture, GraphQL and RESTful APIs. Both we teach it right over there because again, some of the companies require GraphQL. So we have to teach you guys that right over there. Then we go towards your DevOps and cloud computing. So DevOps and cloud computing goes hand in hand. So for cloud computing, we go with AWS because most of the companies demanded that itself from our students. And for DevOps, Docker, containers, Kubernetes, CI/CD, Ansible, these are the kind of topics that are being taught right over there. Now, as far as projects goes, small ass projects like Recipe API and all that, I don't really care about that. So I'm not even going to tell you guys that. But yes, every single topic has a small project that you have to do to understand the crux of the topic. The major projects, there are two major projects during the entire training when we are teaching you guys everything. The first project is the Zomato clone, the entire full stack Zomato clone. That means the front end made in React, the back end made in node.js, Express, MongoDB, the exact same Zomato that you guys are using on your mobile phone, the same to same with all the features. We deploy it on AWS. We orchestrate it using DevOps so that even if 1 million people are coming to your platform at once, it won't hang, it won't crash. The same thing we do it with Book My Show application as well. So again, a full stack clone of Book My Show, the exact same front end, the exact same back end, every feature included, deploy it on AWS, orchestrated using DevOps. So initially it was Uber clone. We have replaced that with Book My Show clone right now so that we offer different particular projects to our students and they are able to learn a lot as well. So you don't have to worry about that. We take care of all these for you guys. And then you get your chance that, okay, which particular company do you want to intern with? You choose your company from this list. You choose that from right over here. Now, the entire training, we do it. So DevTown, we don't charge anything for anything. Like when you go for any internship, that is not costing us any kind of money. You go for any boot camp, that is not costing us any money. We don't charge anything for that. but this is chargeable. The reason for that is due to these fellows that you are able to see right over here. These are the people who charge from us. They are going to invest 3 to 4 months of their time daily, 2 to 3 hours for 4 months, 3 months on a daily basis to train you guys right over there. Now, they are very good people. They are amazing at helping our students out getting the right jobs and right internships, but we have to pay them. We have to pay them so that they are able to continue giving the great results that they have been able to give us up till this point of time. Due to that clear reason, only due to that clear reason, we have to make this chargeable, because even I don't have that much money to pay these guys, and I'm earning for myself. Although I can give my time to DevTown, I cannot give my money to DevTown at the end of the day, right? So due to that reason, the cost of every instructor is basically 3,225 rupees per instructor itself. And you guys get a lifetime access to the entire program and everything. The platform cost and everything is around 225 rupees extra. So the net cost is basically 3,500 rupees for the entire program, plus taxes that you pay to the government, not to us. Okay. So that too, we have divided into two halves. We have divided the particular fees into 500 rupees and 3,000 rupees. 500 plus tax, that is around 600 rupees itself. This is called as a pre-registration, so that we are able to book your seat. We are able to send your name as well as details to the companies itself that, okay, this particular child is going to start their internship after like 6 months or 7 months or something like that. We have to send a list to the companies itself, and right now they are hiring from us. That is the reason why we are running the program once again. In each class, we have somewhere around 25 candidates, so that the instructor is able to give individual attention to every single one of them, and the doubts are getting resolved properly and everything. So like I said, guys, right now we have opened up the particular training program, and we will not be able to take in more than 8-9 candidates right now. The reason for that is the only batch that I'm currently having has 8 to 9 seats itself, and you don't have to worry about it. For example, I'm able to understand many of you guys will be like, sir, can we join this after 2 months or 3 months? I don't know if it is going to be available or not. The last time that we did this was in 2023, like 2022 December. We started the program then. We onboarded the students, and after that, we started the program back in January 2024. So you are able to see that there is almost a 1 year gap between us starting a program at any particular point of time, because we can only start if the companies agrees to give us the guaranteed internship. Without the guaranteed internship, there is no point of running the training program itself. So how many of you guys would be interested? Please clear if companies have any criteria during the internship. There's no criteria. Like I said, it's a guaranteed 1 month internship. It's a guaranteed 1 month internship, guys. So how many of you guys would be interested in a training program like this, guys? How many of you guys will be interested in a training program like this? Please let me know. How many of you guys would be interested in a training program like this, guys? Please let me know. So for those guys who are interested in the training program right now, you can just do a pre-registration of 600 rupees itself. Like I said, the total cost of the entire training is 3,500 rupees plus tax. Like you go and eat at a restaurant, you have a bill of like 200 rupees plus tax. In the same way, we have to pay to the government as well. So for those students who are interested, like I said, the pre-registration fees for the training and internship program is 600 rupees. If you guys are registering right now, let's say that you are not able to start the training for 2 months. You want to start the training, let's say in June or July or something like that. That can be rescheduled. We can reschedule your training. We can reschedule your internship at any particular point of time. This basically makes sure that even if you wanted to start after 6 months, you are able to do that, and you still get the guaranteed internship, because the name of the company has already went. So the companies can't do anything. They have to give you the guys the guaranteed internship. So you don't have to worry about that, guys. I've completed my engineering in 5 years due to health issues. Is it going to affect it? No, there is, like I said, there's no criteria at all. There's no filtration process. The internship is guaranteed to every single person. And guys, think about it. Just think about it once. Okay, if you're going to any college, any program right now, any college that you guys are in right now as well, you try and guarantee it that, okay, I'm going to get this particular, I'm going to get an internship. You just can't. This is a very big opportunity for every single one of you, and we have made sure, and you guys can pay on a monthly basis as well. You don't have to take an issue on that. We have take care of everything. We have made sure that it is affordable. That is the reason why we don't even charge any kind of profits. We only get 9 students that we want Once the 9 students have enrolled, we don't really care about like the program. We only care about those students right now and their training. So the point that I'm trying to make is that we just have to cover up the cost of the instructors, making sure that every single batch is starting properly itself. Okay, so the total fee, Samir Singh, like I've already said, the total fee is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. You can calculate 18% GST. That is something they're paying to the government, not to us. The fees for us is 3,500. Okay, and for the pre-registration, that is just 600 rupees, and that will be cut from the total cost. You don't have to worry. For example, it is 500 plus tax plus 3,000 plus tax, so you don't have to worry. It is not extra that you are paying at any particular point of time. Should I learn mobile application development or full stack or both? See, if you're learning full stack, you're actually learning mobile application development. If somebody has learned React JS, it takes him like a week to learn React Native. That's it. A week is required if you already know React JS itself. Okay. What the fuck tax? Yeah, when you get into corporate, you will understand when government charges 30% tax from your salary. Okay, you are like, oh, a lot of money, and then government is like, which money? So yeah, so data science internship. There are 3 internship programs, guys. Full stack training and internship program, the data science training and internship program, and the cyber security training and internship program. You can choose any one of them. All 3 of them comes with C++, Java, data structure algorithms, and competitive programming. All 3 of them comes with LinkedIn optimization, GitHub optimization, resume building. All 3 of them comes up with a little bit of your verbal, logical training as well, because that is also required right over there. How much months program? It is usually 4 months. Okay, 2 to 3 hours a day for 4 months itself. What was in training? So in training, you will be covering up everything. For example, in full stack, C++, Java, data structure algorithms, competitive programming, basics of front end development, then React.js, Node.js, Express.js, React Native, microservices, okay, monolithic architectures, GraphQL. Then you are having your RESTful APIs. Then you are having your cloud computing, DevOps. So like many of the students are like, sir, what about Udemy? Should we go with Udemy or not? So what we did was that in Udemy, every course will cost you somewhere around 800 rupees, including tax. Okay, more than that. Okay, the duration of this, so the duration is 4 months, but you get lifetime access to the entire program, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so in Udemy, every program will cost you 800 rupees itself. Now, data structures algorithms, 800 rupees. Okay, competitive programming, 800 rupees. Then you are having your front-end development with React.js, 800, including React Native, 800 rupees. Then you will have your backend development, 800 rupees. DevOps and cloud computing, every time you will get 2 courses of 800 rupees, 800 rupees, 6 courses right over there. And Udemy certificates have no value. So 6 multiplied by 800, that is how much? 4,800 rupees that you will be spending on your Udemy courses to learn all this that you require for your training. And then you don't get any guaranteed internships, any of the companies itself. Okay. So I've successfully completed the payment 20 days before. I haven't contacted for the confirmation of the payment. Just send me an email at shaurya.sinha@devtown.in. I will help you guys out with the same. Online or offline? Do you really think that in 3,500 rupees, I will be able to afford to pay an instructor from Google as well as get an entire hall in which only 25 students are going to sit? It's going to be completely online itself. Completely online. Okay. I'm student of artificial intelligence and a MERN stack developer. Should I go towards AI or MERN stack? My suggestion to you would be, if you are saying AI, then that means you are in the wrong direction. Okay, you have to learn data science. AI is a very small part of data science itself. If you are from a good college, I will suggest go further with AI. Okay, go further with data science. If you're not from a good college, you don't have good placements in your college, go further with full stack. In our full stack program, we have a 100% placement ratio. Mohammed, the classes will be going on in the evening itself. Okay, because our instructors are busy in the morning, they have their own offices and everything, so they are able to come to the classes only in the evening. So you don't have to worry about that as well. Okay. From Sri Lanka, how can we join? Hanan, what you can do is you can just email to me at shaurya.sinha@devtown.in. We'll be able to help you guys out with that. So web development or data science, which is better? See, if you guys are currently in a very good college which has good placements and everything, then I would definitely suggest go with data science. If you're not from a good college, you're not from a college that has good placements in them, good companies are not coming to your college, then go further with data science. Is this course beginner friendly? If a student does not even know what is programming, we start from right over there. What is programming? We start from right over there. So it is completely. So our aim is that there is no prerequisites. We don't want our students to know anything. We want our students to start from the scratch so that we are able to build their concepts up properly. Okay. When will the internship happen? As soon as you have completed your registration, within 2 to 3 days, a career counselor will be reaching out to you and will be helping you out throughout the entire process. So you can start the particular program like maybe in 5 days. You can start the program in 1 month. You can start the program after 6 months as well. That is up to you guys to figure out. For us, we give that particular balance because some students are like, I have my exams. Can I do this after 1 month? So yes, you can. So you don't have to worry about that. Farina, like I said, the classes will be in the evening only after 6:30. The reason, like I said, is that the instructors are not available in the morning. They have their offices. They are currently working professionals. So they are only available in the evening. So you don't have to worry about that. The total cost of the entire program, Joel, is 3,500 rupees. 600 rupees plus your next 3,000 rupees plus tax. That is your entire cost of the program. Okay, because 4 months, 2 to 3 hours on a daily basis by the instructors, we have to pay them something, right? Only 25 students in one class. We have to pay them something at the end of the day, right? Can you bring full stack data science program? That is something that you are wasting your time like anything. Just go with full stack properly, learn full stack properly. Even just full stack is a very big particular program. Okay, just to go, do very well in full stack, you require 6 to 8 months at the bare minimum. Do not mix both of them up. Okay, if you get into a full stack job role, okay, or an internship, then start learning data science. That is fine. Not as a fresher. Okay, not as a fresher itself. What about a program that costs 10,000? So we don't have a program that costs 10,000. What happens is that, like I promised you guys, that there is an EMI options available as well. So banks actually don't allow to do that. Okay, a 3,500 rupees course, banks just say that you cannot offer EMI on this particular course. So what we do is we merge 3 students' payments together and then we send it to the bank, and that is how we collect the EMI. So that the banks don't have any issue. So we'll take 3 students, we'll pile them into one particular course of 10,000, and then we'll send to say to the bank that, oh, child is ready to pay the EMI through us. So you guys will be paying the EMI of 3,500 rupees to us. We will be paying the EMI of 10,000 rupees to the bank. That is how we make sure that the students are able to get the EMI option. Okay. Or 25 students, then how everyone who registers will get the internship, because we have more than 47 different companies and every company offers us 5 to 10 seats. So we get somewhere around 470, 480 seats in every single batch, but we only take up 25 students to make sure that the students have that opportunity to select any companies. We don't really want to tell them that, oh, you don't select that company, you select this company. We can only advise them at the end of the day, and the internship is guaranteed to every single student, guys. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. So how many of you guys are interested in the training and internship program, guys? Please let me know. How many of you guys are interested in the training and internship program, guys? Please let me know. How many of you guys are interested in the training and internship program, guys? Is it available in the month of March? See, I cannot promise you that it will be available in the month of March, but if you're pre-registering yourself right now, I can guarantee you that you can start in March as well. You will still get the guaranteed internship and the training. You don't have to worry. We have made the entire program in that clear way itself. So you don't have to worry about that. Because we have to send the names of the students that are interested into the program to the companies that have registered to the students, to send them to the companies, because they have already offered us the guaranteed seats, right? So we have to send them to the companies itself. That is the reason why we are just waiting right now for all the different things. Already registered for it. When is the course going to start? Voice vibes, do one thing, just send me a particular message on email on shaurya.sinha@devtown.in, and you don't have to worry about it. We will help you out with the same. Like I said, guys, those who are interested in the training and internship program, please do complete your pre-registration right now itself, guys. Please do complete your pre-registration right now itself, guys. Already Akash, Yagnik, Akshay, Himani and Divya have already done their pre-registration. So we have somewhere around 3 to 4 seats that are currently available. After that, the link will automatically stop working because we have set the limit at 9. So after 4 more students have joined, the link will stop working because we cannot take more than that many number of students right now because we don't have that. How many months training? So the training will be of 4 months. You don't have to worry about that. Is there going to be a front-end development bootcamp in the future? Absolutely, yes. If the students will not perform perfectly, will they be able to get the internships? Guys, the internships are guaranteed. That is the point. And not just that, okay. So like I said, we want to build your profile. So what we do is we show that 4 months of training that you have done as an internship at DevTown. We also do that to build up your profile that you can showcase on your resume. For 4 months, you have done an internship as a full stack engineer or a data analyst at DevTown or a cybersecurity expert at DevTown itself. And then you got a 1 month internship at Amazon. You got a 1 month internship at Samsung. So that is how we showcase that on your resume. So we give you guys the letter of recommendation, the offer letters, all that stuff. Okay, even invoices as well, we give it to you guys. So that you guys don't have to worry. You are also gaining like a 5 months experience. Not just a 1 month guarantee is very important because that is with a very big company like Amazon, Cognizant, HP, Goldman Sachs. You are having companies like JP Morgan and Chase. You are having companies like BCG, GE Aerospace, okay, Cognizant, KPMG, British Airways, SAP. So that is also very important. But also we want to build your profile as well. So that is how. Is there any AI related course? So then you have to choose data science. Inside of data science, AI is a very small part. For those students who say AI, I'm just like, you guys need to stop watching Instagram reels and start learning things because AI is a very small part of data science. It's very small part of data science itself. So yes, if you are interested in AI, then we have a particular training program for you as well. That is the data science. That is the data scientist training and internship. For that as well, we have these companies right over here: Accenture, BCG, Cognizant. So Cognizant offers the AI engineer position. British Airways, GE Aerospace, KPMG, PwC, Quantum, SAP, and Tata as well. After an internship, you'll get a permanent job or an interview in the company. So if you're done well in the internship, you directly get, like for example, if you're in second year of your college, you directly get the offer letter from the company. So that is how it does. The guaranteed internship paid or unpaid. If you're doing well and you get selected in that company, it is paid. If you're doing well and you don't get selected in that company, then it is unpaid. The company is not going to spend money on you if they are not selecting you, right? And getting a internship at a company, now on your internship letter, it is nowhere mentioned at any particular point of time that you didn't get paid. They still counted like that you worked as a software engineer, you worked as a backend engineer at Goldman Sachs, you worked as a backend engineer intern for 1 month at JP Morgan and Chase. It is still counted as an experience itself. So you don't have to worry about that. And if you are doing well in the internship, you get selected for the job role, they pay you. For example, the highest is with, I think so, JP Morgan, that is 85,000. That is the highest. And the lowest is with, I think so, Cognizant, that is 27 or 26,000 rupees. So like I said, guys, those who are interested in the training and internship program, please do complete your pre-registration right now itself. Is there somebody else who is still interested in the training and internship program? Please let me know. Is there somebody else who is still interested in the training and internship program, guys? Please let me know. If you're interested, please do complete your pre-registration right over here, guys. I've sent you guys the pre-registration link in the live chat. Mr. Sheikh, somebody from DevTown will be reaching out to you and will be helping you out with the post-registration. You don't have to worry about that. Okay. Like I said, guys, this is a very good opportunity for you guys getting a 4 months internship from a small company like DevTown. Okay, guaranteed. And then a guaranteed 1 month internship in one of the dream companies of your choosing. Just ask your college people how many of them are even getting any internships at Amazon. So Amazon came to my college. They selected just one candidate for internship, and they didn't even offer him the job. How many of your college students out then think about the population as well? In one class, like in one batch of CSE, they will have like somewhere around 1,000 students in big private colleges. How many of those students are able to get not a guarantee, just an internship at Amazon, even a chance to sit for an interview at Amazon? And here you are able to get a guaranteed internship at Amazon. That's a very big deal. No matter which course you do, no matter which stuff that you do, your skills, your knowledge, and your experience, these are the three things that get you selected in the company. And that is what DevTown strives for. We give you guys the skills, we give you guys the knowledge, we give you guys the experience as well. We build the portfolio of the student end to end. Do not miss upon this opportunity, guys. Like I've already said, okay, for Anybody who is still interested for the training and internship, guys, please let me know. I'm a second year AI/ML. Which training program of yours will be suitable? IQ or blind? I will suggest go further with data science. Okay, data scientist training and internship. You have amazing companies right over there. For example, you have companies like BCG, companies like British Airways, GE Aerospace. These are the ones that pay a lot to the interns as well as to the people who get selected for the job. So go further with the data science for your end itself. Okay. Is the internship online or offline? The complete internship is also going to be completely online itself. Okay, think about it as your particular exam, your particular interview has been replaced by an opportunity to work with the company. Okay, like I said, guys, those who are interested for the training and internship, Abhishek Kumar, do not worry. Somebody from DevTown will be reaching out to you in the next few days, and they will be helping you guys out with the entire process. So you don't have to worry about that. Okay. Can you repeat your email ID, please? Shaurya.sinha, my name, Shaurya.sinha @devtown.in. Okay. So, Mohammed, like I said, if you are not being selected, for example, you selected Amazon to work for. In the Amazon, you were not performing well, you didn't do the tasks on time, you are not interacting with the mentors properly itself, and they say that, okay, this guy, we don't want to continue for a job role. Then you will not receive any kind of stipend, you will only receive the internship completion certificate. Okay, both the person who receives the stipend as well as who doesn't receive the stipend gets the same internship completion certificate. Now, if you did well during the internship and they decide to go further with you for a job role, then they offer you a stipend as well. So that is how it goes on. Okay. So the guarantee is with the internship. The guarantee is with the fact that you don't have to worry. You will get the internship at any point of time. We have to complete the 100% course for getting internship. So many people say to me that I already know front-end development. I don't want to do that. So we have taken up an account that you have to complete at least 75% of the course to be like to go towards the guaranteed internship. Because again, if you don't know anything, you are directly going for the internship, then you are just cutting our nose in front of the company. We also want to make sure that the person going there has actually studied. Otherwise, what's the point, right? Yes, within the next 15-20 minutes, you will get the email as well from our end. You don't have to worry, guys. Is PPO available? Like I said, those students who are doing well in the training and internship and they get selected in the company that they were interning for, they get a PPO. That is a offer letter from the company as well. Like I said, guys, we only have somewhere around 3 seats remaining right now. So if you are still interested in the training and internship program, guys, please do complete your pre-registration right now itself, guys. Because once this is a big chance, okay, for everybody at the end of the day. Because again, getting a chance to directly intern with one of the biggest companies is a big particular plus point. Any exams will be taken after pursuing the course? No, we don't have any exams. We don't have any particular interviews, nothing. It is directly the course, that is the training, and then the guaranteed 1 month internship. We can guide you, we can help you guys out, we can show you guys the right path, what to study, what not to study. We can give you guys the opportunities for internships, for job roles. We will help you guys by giving referrals as well. But at the end of the day, it is you who has to do it. Okay, where do we have to pay the remaining amount? Somebody from DevTown will be reaching out to you and will be helping you out with that. Is there EMI? Absolutely, yes, there is. Okay. How many percent attendance is compulsory during the program? Like I said, 75%. But if you have missed a particular class, we have reshoots as well because there are parallelly many training programs going on. So let's assume that you have missed a particular class due to exams or something like that. We shift you into a new batch. So, and because this is something that is very common with the students, college students have their exams and everything. So they say that I'm having my exam for 1 month, I will be busy. So I just tell them, no worries, you do your particular exam properly itself. Once you come back, we'll shift you to a next batch itself and you can just continue from right over there. So that is how we make sure that the students are able to do the entire program without facing any kind of issues. The entire program fees is 3,500 rupees plus tax, which we have divided into two halves. That is 600 rupees plus 3,000 rupees plus tax. That is how we basically have it. What about the free internship, DevTown? So the free internship of the citizen program, somebody from DevTown will be contacting you very soon and will be helping out with the same. You don't have to worry about that. Okay. Tomorrow, can I do, sir, the payment? See, I don't know if the seat will be remaining or not. I don't know how many seats are currently remaining. Let me just check. So 2 more seats are currently remaining. After that, we'll not be able to take. Let me just see it. Yeah, two more seats are currently remaining, guys. After that, we'll not be taking in any more candidates. Okay, so Ipsta, I will ask you to complete your pre-registration by today itself. Okay. Like I said, guys, this is a big opportunity. Do not let this opportunity slip for your hand, because many students do that. They don't understand the importance of getting an internship from a very big, reputed company itself. They just don't understand it. I don't know. I don't know why that happens, because they have to learn all this to get a placement. They have to do this. They have to get internships right now, because no company is going to hire a fresher right now at any particular point of time. So you need experience. You need knowledge. You need the right projects, and that is all that we provide. You go to any particular program, you go to any program right now, for example, Coding Ninjas, a very good program on data structures and algorithms, a very good program on full stack development as well. But just their recorded course of full stack development, which does not include DevOps, it does not include AWS, it includes C++, Java, data structures, algorithms, will cost you about 50,000 rupees approximately, plus taxes. So that is different. 50,000 rupees plus taxes. Scalar Academy has a program, it costs you 3.5 lakh rupees. You are having, so good companies have good programs. I'm not saying that. But the point is that what we are able to do, no other company is able to do, because we don't have any marketing. We don't run any ads. Okay, you will never see a YouTube ad or an Instagram ad of DevTown. Okay, what we have is a community. We are trying our level best to do everything that is good for our community itself, and that is all that we care about. Okay. Like I said, guys, those who are interested, please do complete your pre-registration right now itself, guys. 3.7 lakhs. Okay, I'm sorry. I think so. They have updated. So that is 3.7 lakhs plus GST. So yeah. APIs will continue from tomorrow itself. You don't have to worry about that. We have time. How many seats there, sir, in this? We have a total of 25 seats in one batch. We don't take more students than that. Right now, we have 2 more seats that are currently available. Okay. So are they going to give a certificate? Dude, like if you're doing an internship with a company, they have to provide you with an internship certificate. That is a guarantee from our end that you will get the internship certificate. So you don't have to worry about that. Okay. Like I said, guys, those who are interested in the training and internship program, please do complete your pre-registration right now itself, guys. Okay. What is the use of a particular internship certificate? The use is very simple, because you need experience to even get any kind of internship or a job role right now. Companies are not going to take up freshers at any particular point of time. That is the harsh reality right now. Okay. Just got a scalar ad during your live, lol. What about the free internship? That is also currently going on. You don't have to worry about that. That is also going on right now. You don't have to worry. This is more of for those people who want to get into big companies, want to work at big tech companies itself, and all those want to get internships at good companies. That is what we want from you guys, right? So right now I'm going to give you guys the attendance for today's class. Please do fill up the attendance properly itself. I think so. This is which day? Day 8. Okay, so let me give you guys the attendance right now. Okay. 8. Like I said, guys, those who are interested in the training and internship, I've already pinned up the particular link in the live chat, guys. You guys can do your pre-registration from right over there. And this is the link for today's attendance. So let me provide that to you guys. Both the attendance link as well as the pre-registration link are in the same message, guys. So you can see it right over there. Pradeep Rathod, I'm done with the registration. When will it start? So don't worry, Pradeep. Somebody from DevTown will be reaching out to you guys very soon and will be helping you guys complete your registration and go right over there. Okay. I'm currently working in MNC on support role, but I need the technical work. You can also definitely join the particular training and internship program, because people who are working in the technical role can definitely refer you out, and you can learn everything that you need to learn for getting shortlisted for the technical role. It will be better, because most of the students that we have had who have gone from a support role to, or an operations role to a technical role, actually do it within the same company. They will just do the particular program. They'll go and apply for an internal position itself, and they just directly get it. That is what I've usually seen. But yes, we will help you out with that as well. If you are registering for the program, you don't have to worry about that. The attendance link is also in the same message, guys. Please do watch it carefully. Both the attendance as well as the pre-registration link is in the same message. Okay, so you guys can complete your pre-registration if you want to join the training and internship program, or you can complete your attendance as well from right over there. Like I said, guys, we are having currently 2 more seats available. After that, we'll not be able to take in any more candidates, guys. So if you are interested in the training and internship program, please do complete your pre-registration as soon as possible, guys. Okay. Abhay Gupta, if you feel so, congratulations. You are learning for free. I'm not forcing you to do a particular registration at any particular point of time. If you want to join, you can join. I'm not saying that, oh, if you don't join, I'm not going to get you guys the certificates. You're still going to get that. But if you still feel so, then yeah, you are an idiot. And congratulations. That is all that I can say about it, right? Okay. So like I said, guys, and that too at cost, like not even charging you guys. If I wanted, I could have charged the exact same thing like Coding Ninjas, like 50,000 rupees. Okay. And they don't even have the guaranteed internship. So that's great, right? So I could have said that, okay, 1 lakh rupees, you get guaranteed internship as well. But I didn't do that. Why? Because I'm only charging what I have to pay to my instructors. That's it. I paid now. When will I get a call or connect with course? So Ayush, like I said, the complete cost of the entire training program is 3,500 rupees plus taxes. Somebody from DevTown will be reaching out to you guys. You have already done your pre-registration. They will help you out with the entire process itself. In the next 2 to 3 days, you can expect to get connected with a particular person from DevTown. So you don't have to worry about that. Okay. Like I said, guys, those who are interested in the training and internship program, please do complete your pre-registration as well as possible. How many people passed in the interview today? Actually, two amazing people I saw. One person didn't have the right skill set, but he had an amazing communication skill set, and the role was more towards communication rather than technical. So I shortlisted him. And another particular person who was amazing at both communication as well as skill set, and he had actually done an internship at DRDO. So like I said, like the first thing that came to my mouth, like he had an amazing like portfolio as well as he had done an internship at DRDO. The point is that that matters in the mind of a recruiter, that you have done your internship from a big tech company. That means somebody has already evaluated you. Bhargav Joshi, you don't have to worry about it. You will get an acknowledgement in the next few days. Okay, well, it takes 30-40 minutes to get the acknowledgement, so you don't have to worry about that. You'll get an email with the invoice and a receipt right over there. Any prerequisites for this training program? Just one. Okay, come to the program with 100% efforts. Okay, that is all that I want from you guys. Like, I want just 100% from your end. 1 month internship, guaranteed internship at any company, not at any company, from the company of this list. Okay, in any of these companies, you will get a 1 month guaranteed internship. Okay, now if you come to me and you say that, oh, Tesla, I don't have Tesla, I have not yet connected with them. So any of these companies, yes, you can select and the guaranteed internship will be provided to you. Said Danish, definitely yes, shaurya.sinha@devtown.in. That is my email ID. Okay, is today the end of the bootcamp? No, tomorrow will be the end of the bootcamp because we have to complete APIs. Okay, how to implement the API itself. That is something that we have to complete tomorrow. Please send backend developer roadmap for 2024. Very simple. There is none. You have to focus on full stack development. While your like majority of the focus should be on backend. So if you're just doing backend, it is not going to help you. You have to learn Node.js, Express, MongoDB, RESTful APIs. You have to learn about GraphQL. You have to learn about monolithic microservice architecture itself. You have to implement some of them in your project. Plus, you have to learn a little bit of React.js, a little bit of cloud computing, a little bit of DevOps, how to integrate it with your project itself. If you are doing that, then that is the roadmap for backend development. So, how will be the training schedule, full day or the time we choose? No, the training will be happening in the evening after 6:30 in the evening. After 6 or 6:30 or 7 in the evening, the instructors are available. Then they take up the training itself. Like I said, guys, those who are interested in the training and internship program, please complete your pre-registration right now itself. The last 2 seats are there. After that, we'll not be able to take in any more candidates. So please do that. The lectures will be in the class, guys, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so please provide an email for support. If you want to reach out to me personally, you can do that from shaurya.sinha@devtown.in. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, and we'll meet in shaurya.sinha@devtown.in. Just my name. how many hours a day? Be ready to dedicate at least 3.5 hours a day itself. 3 hours a day, that is something that I'll expect from you guys. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. Like I said, those who are interested in the training and internship program, I've already provided you guys with the attendance. The attendance link is in the particular link that you are able to see right over here. And we'll meet in our tomorrow's class and we'll continue from right over there. Ayush Kumbhar, we will be somebody from DevTown will be reaching out to you, Ayush, and they will be connecting with you. They will be guiding you on the further basis. So you don't have to worry about that. Okay. My spelling, you can find it on LinkedIn. Okay. The link to that is in the description of the video. Shaurya.sinha@devtown.in. That's the name of this channel. So do a little bit of hard work right over there. That's all that I can say. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. Like I said, guys, those who are interested in the training and internship, please do complete your pre-registration. We'll meet in our tomorrow's class and we'll continue from right over there. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.